Acing the GRE in 60 Days. Your 2-month study plan. Hello, future GRE conquerors. If you're gearing up to tackle the GRE in just 2 months, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into a comprehensive and effective 2-month study plan that will guide you step by step, helping you make the most out of your prep time. Before diving into our study plan, let's quickly recap the GRE's structure. The GRE is split into 3 main sections. 1. Verbal reasoning. 2. Quantitative reasoning. 3. Analytical writing. Knowing what to expect will allow you to target your study sessions effectively. Week 1 to 2, Foundation Building. Days 1 to 7, dive into the basics of quantitative reasoning. Focus on arithmetic, algebra, and basic data interpretation. Days 8 to 14, start with the basics of verbal reasoning. Familiarize yourself with reading comprehension strategies and basic vocabulary. Week 3 to 4, intermediate level mastery. Days 15 to 21, delve deeper into quantitative reasoning. Geometry and word problems should be your focus. Days 22 to 28, for verbal reasoning, build on vocabulary and begin practicing text completion and sentence equivalence questions. Week 5 to 6, advanced concepts and analytical writing. Days 29 to 35, tackle the more advanced quant topics, such as probability, statistics, and complex word problems. Days 36 to 42, for verbal reasoning, refine your reading comprehension strategies for long passages. Also, start with the basics of analytical writing, brainstorming and outlining. Week 7, mock tests and review. Days 43 to 49, it's time to test yourself. Take a full-length GRE mock test at the beginning of the week. Spend the rest of the week reviewing your answers, understanding mistakes, and revisiting challenging topics. Week 8, final preparations. Days 50 to 56, take another full-length mock test. Refine your strategies based on your performance. Days 57 to 60, light review, relaxation, and mental preparation. Ensure you're well rested and confident for the test day. 1. Consistency is key. Studying a little every day is more effective than cramming. 2. Active learning. Instead of just passively reading, engage with the material. Quiz yourself, practice actively, and discuss concepts aloud. 3. Practice under real test conditions. Simulate the real GRE environment. This helps in managing time and reducing test day anxiety. 4. Stay healthy. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can significantly boost your test performance. And there you have it. A robust 2-month GRE study plan to help you ace the exam. Remember, the journey might be intense, but with dedication, the right resources, and a solid plan, you're on your way to achieving your GRE goals. Here's hoping this video has been a guiding light. All the best, and may your efforts be rewarded with an impressive GRE score.